FanDuel bets the over on crypto. Celsius is suing to get some money back, and DeFi is making a comeback. My name is Jay Chains. This is your nightly crypto news wrap-up. Let's get it. Like any disruptive tech, DeFi has experienced heavy volatility and fear in the early stages of development. It looks like institutions are having a light bulb moment when it comes to DeFi, according to Brett Tejpaul, the head of institutional sales at Coinbase. While big buyers have been all in on Bitcoin over the past year, DeFi has been the third wheel at the prom. But that's starting to change thanks to companies like Kobo, making better software tools that integrate DeFi into traditional systems. And while the Terra crash has been the chilling effect on the industry, it has shown how resilient crypto is. Whales saw the risks and how a shakeout affects the industry. This gave them some perspective and helped create risk profiles that will withstand the ups and downs of the crypto market in this early phase. Speaking of risk, let's see how the markets are looking today.
Thank you, Jay Chains. All right, guys, let's jump in and do a little market watch here. We've got Bitcoin coming in at 21,396, down about 8.2% on the week. Ethereum coming in at 1657, down about 9.5% on the week. Now, guys, I want to bring you over here to the Bitcoin chart. We do have those bearish signals popping up on the higher time frames, but looking at the market structure here, as long as we can hold this trend line, I do think that we could have just seen this potential healthy pullback before a continuation higher to the upside. So if we can hold this trend line, which does have Confluence being a golden pocket, a high volume node, and has the trend line there, will act as strong support. If we can hold this level and print this green dot on the daily, which is looking like it wants to happen pretty soon, I do think we could potentially see price continue to the upside. If you guys want to follow me, it's Frankie Candles on YouTube or Frankie_Candles on all socials. Back to the news.
Thanks, Frank. Hey, if you want to trade like Frank, be sure to get a sweet sign-up bonus for Femex by clicking the link below. Celsius is suing crypto custodian Prime Trust to return $17 million worth of crypto assets. Prime Trust and Celsius dissolved their relationship back in June of 2021, and Prime Trust returned $119 million of crypto assets to Alex Mashinsky's Ponzi scheme. Celsius. I repeated myself. Celsius says they're missing $17 million and are forced to sue Prime Trust to get it back. That's funny, Celsius. I know a guy that's missing $3 million and you haven't paid him back. Not a good feeling, is it? As the fallout continues from these liquidity issues and institutions play tug-of-war over what remains of Celsius, many onlookers in retail are wondering when the average investor will be actually represented in these court conversations. At least lawyers will do well over the ongoing court battles in what looks like will be a long, drawn-out process for investors trying to recapture halted funds from the bankrupt lender. The former CEO of the largest sports betting app on the planet is about to parlay big time into crypto. BetDEX was founded by former execs at FanDuel, including former CEO Nigel Eccles, BetDEX's chairman. Varun Sudhakar spent 3 years at FanDuel. BetDEX is a key contributor to the Monaco protocol, which is live on Solana's developer testnet and is set up to act as a digital asset-based liquidity pool. Legacy gambling poses a massive potential to blockchain. Traditional betting was worth $250 billion in 2021, but as of now, lacks on the user experience side and high fees that reach levels of up to 40%. Varun's goal is to capture a market share of the betting world, and it will be attractive for users with fees reaching no more than 1%. And the digital clearinghouse is also focused on making sure bettors can quickly cash out and securely. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried has pointed out this mind-boggling potential for blockchain sports betting near the end of 2021, and it seems the abundance of betting companies operating within the same high-fee structure creates a perfect spot for blockchain to break into the scene to create actual competition for platform betting and cash-out fees. It is great to see the use case crypto and blockchain push the needle forward on innovation that will actually help the little guy. Let's hope to see more like this in the future. That's all I got. Have a good rest of your evening.